Dear students, today we will solve the numerical number 4.1. This is physics class 9. The question states that a force of 200 Newton is acting on a cord at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal direction. Find the x and the y components of the force. For example, if I draw a cord here, this is a cord and a force of 200 Newton. This is the direction of the force and the magnitude of the force is 200 Newton, and this force is making an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. This is the horizontal direction and this is the angle of 30 degree. So if we write the data here, the force is represented by F, and here F is 200 Newton, and the angle which it is making with the horizontal theta, that is 30 degree. We have to find the x component of the force, which is Fx, and the y component of the force, which is Fy. To calculate x component of the force Fx, we know that the formula for Fx is F cos theta. Putting the values here, the value of F is 200 and the angle is 30 degrees, so we will write in place of theta as 30 degree, and we know that the value of cos 30 using the scientific calculator, that it is 0.866, and multiplying this with 2, and it will be 173.2 Newton. This is the x component of the force. To find the y component of the force, we will have to calculate Fy, and we know that Fy is equal to F sine theta. Now putting the values here, the value of F is 200 and the angle is 30 degrees, so we will write sine 30. And using the scientific calculator and calculating the value of sine 30 and putting it here, we will get that this is 0.5 or 1 by 2, and multiplying this with 200, it will give us 100. Since the force is represented in Newton, so the y component of the force is 100 Newton. It means that if we resolve this force into its x and y components, this is the x component and this is the y component. So Fx, as we have calculated earlier, it is 173.2 Newton, and this Fy, it was 100 Newton. It means that uh, the x component of this 200 Newton force, that is the component which is pulling this car towards the horizontal, is this 173.2 Newton, and the component which is moving or trying to pick the cart upward, this is 100 Newton. I hope that you must have got the idea how to calculate the x and the y component of the force by using the formula Fx is equal to F cos theta and Fy is equal to F sin theta. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next lesson.